Is your Tesla Model 3 charge cable stuck? This video provides solutions for common issues like frozen charge ports and lock pin malfunctions. As of January 5th, 2026, Tesla has improved charge port reliability, but problems can still occur, especially in older models. We'll cover how to safely troubleshoot and resolve these issues. The Tesla Model 3 charge port is a sophisticated mechanism designed for secure and reliable electric vehicle charging. It consists of three main components that work together to protect and connect the charging cable. The retractable door protects the internal components from dirt and moisture. The latch ensures the door stays closed when not in use, while the lock pin, powered by a solenoid, secures the charging cable in place to prevent accidental disconnection. Several common issues can affect the charge port mechanism. A stuck cable occurs when the latch or lock pin fails to release properly. Frozen ports happen in cold weather due to ice accumulation. Lock pin malfunctions are typically caused by solenoid failures. Knowing how the charge port works is essential for effective troubleshooting. This knowledge allows owners to perform safe manual releases and understand when professional help is needed. Tesla has reduced failure rates significantly through design improvements. Environmental factors like cold weather can affect the port's reliability. Tesla has added heated elements and improved designs to combat frozen ports, making the charging experience more dependable in all conditions. When a charging cable gets stuck in your Tesla Model 3, Tesla has designed a manual override system as the first step to resolve the issue. Always start by disconnecting the power source from the charger. Make sure the vehicle is completely off-grid to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. This ensures safety and prevents any risk of electric shock or damage to the vehicle's systems. Next, locate the small access panel on the charge port door. This panel covers the manual release mechanism. The panel is usually visible when the port door is open and provides access to the lock pin. Insert a straightened paper clip or Tesla-provided key into the release hole. Gently push the lock pin back to release the cable. Remember, never force the cable, as this could cause damage to the port or create sparks. This manual release method is designed to be safe and effective. If you're unsure about any step, refer to Tesla's official documentation or seek professional assistance. In cold weather, moisture can freeze the charge port mechanism, preventing the cable from releasing or the port from opening. Carefully preheat the area with a hairdryer on low heat before attempting manual release to thaw the mechanism. Tesla has released updates and hardware fixes, including heated ports for post-2024 models to prevent freezing. This has reduced frozen port failure rates in cold regions from 12% to just 3%. User forums like Reddit's r/Tesla Model 3 are invaluable resources for Tesla owners facing charge port issues. With over 232,000 members, the community shares real-world troubleshooting experiences and DIY solutions that have helped countless owners resolve problems without professional service. One effective DIY fix is lubricating the charge port mechanism with silicone spray. This reduces friction in the latch and pin components, preventing cables from getting stuck. According to user reports, regular maintenance with silicone lubricant can reduce recurrence of issues by up to 70%. While DIY fixes can be effective, safety must always come first. Never attempt repairs while the vehicle is charging, as this involves high voltage up to 800 volts. Tesla's official manuals and mobile app provide step-by-step guidance, and 85% of affected owners prefer these app-guided fixes over dealership visits for faster resolution. Tesla has addressed charge port issues through recalls and design improvements. In 2023, Tesla recalled over 1.2 million Model 3 and Model Y vehicles for faulty charge port latches that could cause cables to get stuck. Affected vehicles received free replacements through over-the-air updates or service center visits. By 2024, Tesla resolved 98% of these issues successfully. In 2025, Tesla addressed frozen port issues in cold climates with heated elements. Post-2024 Model 3s feature the new Smart Port design with automatic lock pin release and enhanced sensors. These improvements have led to a 40% reduction in reported charge port failures since 2023. Owners should check their vehicle for affected recalls and ensure updates are applied. If the manual release doesn't work or you're uncomfortable handling electrical components, it's time to seek professional help. Tesla's service network offers specialized port unlock diagnostics that can quickly resolve charge port issues. These diagnostics are expedited and often covered under warranty for many models. DIY attempts at repair can be dangerous, particularly with a high-voltage system that operates at up to 800 volts. Always prioritize safety and consult professionals for complex repairs. Tesla's recall program has a 98% success rate in fixing charge port issues. EV charging technology is evolving rapidly with new innovations. Current trends include self-healing ports that automatically detect and fix issues, AI diagnostics that predict maintenance needs, and wireless charging that eliminates cables altogether. Hardware is becoming more robust with reinforced materials that resist corrosion and climate-adaptive designs for extreme weather. Future models may feature modular ports that can be easily replaced or updated. Looking ahead, experts predict near elimination of charge port problems by 2030 through advanced robotics and AI-assisted repairs. Reported failure rates have already dropped significantly from 25% to just 3% in recent years. Stay informed about Tesla updates to benefit from these ongoing improvements in reliability and user experience.